Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1979 GMC Jimmy. This is a High Sierra. Beautiful paint, two-tone baby blue and white. 350 horse, automatic. Super nice body. Tow package, custom stereo. Some LED lighting here and there. Sitting on like new 33s. These are 12.5 by 15. Alloy wheels. Power brakes, power steering, electronic ignition. It's got headers leading out to dual exhaust, so it sounds real good. Was an air conditioning truck, but the compressor's been removed along with the line somewhere along the line. K&N air filter. It's got a cowl hood on it too. It's steel. Cloth bucket seats. The stereo sounds real good in this truck. It's got a Sony CD in it. Lights up there, also LEDs under the dash. Looks really good. All in the corners and everything. That's where your typical problems are. Paint's got a little bit of an orange peel in it. I don't know if I can get that. Use a little bit of a wet sand. Good, just needs a wet sand. It's like a 3-inch cowl hood on here. Looks really good. New KCs up front. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.